Ever felt that pang of excitement when someone mentions sending you some crypto, or when you're finally ready to dive into that new DeFi platform, but then that little voice whispers, "Wait, where do I even find my wallet address?" If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. In the vast and sometimes confusing world of digital assets, figuring out the basics, like locating your own digital address, is absolutely crucial. It's like knowing your home address in the physical world. It's where your digital belongings reside and how others can send things your way. Think about it. You wouldn't just tell someone to send mail to my house, right? You'd give them a specific street number, city, and maybe even a postal code. The same principle applies to cryptocurrency and other digital assets. Your wallet address is that unique string of characters that acts as your digital mailbox. Without it, receiving anything is simply impossible. Now, the good news is that finding your wallet address isn't some highly guarded secret or a task reserved for tech wizards. It's actually a pretty straightforward process once you understand a few key concepts. The slight complexity comes from the fact that the exact steps can vary depending on the type of wallet you're using. And that's what we're going to break down for you today. We'll demystify the process and equip you with the knowledge to confidently locate your digital address, no matter the wallet you're using. Before we dive into the how-to, let's quickly touch upon the why and the what. Why is this address so important? Well, as we've already touched on, it's essential for receiving digital assets. Whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or any other cryptocurrency, this address is the destination. It's also sometimes needed when you want to connect your wallet to decentralized applications, dApps, or participate in various blockchain-based activities. And what exactly is a wallet address? It's a public key, a unique sequence of alphanumeric characters that identifies your specific wallet within a blockchain network. Think of it as a publicly visible identifier. It's important to understand that this public key is different from your private key or seed phrase, which are highly sensitive and should never be shared. Your public key is for receiving, your private key is for authorizing transactions and accessing your funds. Keep those two concepts distinct in your mind. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How do you actually find this crucial piece of information? As mentioned earlier, the process depends on the type of wallet you're using. Generally, we can categorize wallets into a few main types: exchange wallets, software wallets, desktop and mobile, hardware wallets, and web wallets. Let's explore each of these and how to find your address within them. Exchange wallets. If you're buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies on a centralized exchange like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, or KuCoin, you likely have a wallet associated with your account on that platform. Finding your deposit address on an exchange usually involves the following general steps, though the exact button names and layout might vary slightly. Log into your exchange account. First and foremost, you'll need to log into your account on the specific exchange you're using. Navigate to your wallet or funds section. Most exchanges have a dedicated section for managing your assets. This might be labeled as wallet, funds, balances, or something similar. Look for it in the main navigation menu or your account dashboard. Select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Once you're in the wallet or funds section, you'll likely see a list of the different cryptocurrencies supported by the exchange. Find the specific cryptocurrency you want to receive, e.g., Bitcoin, Ethereum. Click on Deposit. Next to the cryptocurrency you've selected, you should see an option related to receiving or adding funds. This is usually labeled Deposit. Click on this option. Generate or view your address. The exchange will then typically generate a unique deposit address for that specific cryptocurrency. Sometimes, you might see an existing address. It's crucial to ensure you're selecting the correct network for the cryptocurrency you're receiving. For example, if someone is sending you Ethereum, make sure you've selected the Ethereum network. Sending to the wrong network can result in the permanent loss of your funds. Copy your address. Once the address is displayed, you will usually see a button to copy it to your clipboard. Use this to ensure accuracy when sharing your address. Double-check that the copied address matches the one displayed on the screen before sharing it. QR code. Optional many exchanges also provide a QR code that represents your address. The sender can scan this code with their wallet app to easily send you the cryptocurrency. Software wallets, desktop and mobile. Software wallets are applications you install on your computer or smartphone that allow you to manage your cryptocurrency. Popular examples include Exodus, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, primarily for Ethereum and EVM-compatible chains, and many others. Here's how to typically find your address in these types of wallets. Open your wallet application, launch the software wallet on your device. Navigate to the Receive or Deposit section. Most software wallets have a clear Receive or Deposit button or tab, often located on the main screen or within a section dedicated to your wallet balances. Select the cryptocurrency. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to receive from the list of assets supported by your wallet. View your address. The wallet will then display the receiving address for that particular cryptocurrency. Copy your address. Look for a copy button, often an icon of two overlapping squares, to easily copy the address to your clipboard. Again, always verify that the copied address is correct. QR code, often available similar to exchanges, software wallets often provide a QR code for easy sharing. Hardware wallets. Hardware wallets are physical devices that store your private keys offline, providing an extra layer of security. To find your receiving address using a hardware wallet, you'll typically need to connect it to your computer and use the associated software application. 1. www.kropti.com. www.kropti.com. Connect your hardware wallet. Plug your hardware wallet into your computer using the provided USB cable. Unlock your device. Enter your PIN or password on the hardware wallet itself to unlock it. Open the companion application. Launch the software application that came with your hardware wallet, e.g., Ledger Live for Ledger devices, Trezor Suite for Trezor devices. Navigate to the Receive section. Within the application, look for a Receive or similar option. Select the cryptocurrency. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to receive. Verify the address on your device. This is a crucial security step. The software application will display a receiving address, and your hardware wallet will also display the same address on its screen. Always verify that the address shown on your computer screen matches the address displayed on your hardware wallet before sharing it. This helps protect you from potential man-in-the-middle attacks. Confirm and copy. Once you've verified the address on your hardware wallet, you can usually confirm it in the software application and then copy it to your clipboard. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.